guys, this is Modesty and welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad everyone is here. Anyways, I just want to start by saying Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, which is what today's video is about. I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving get ready with me. So yeah, I'm going to dive into it. I'm going to be speeding through some of it, talking through some of it. It's going to be chit-chatty, but I do talk a lot, so I'm going to be speeding through some of it, but figured I would show you guys what I'm wearing for Thanksgiving in the sense of makeup. And yeah, so also I want to know in the comments what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. Are you hosting Thanksgiving? Are you going to Thanksgiving? Are you away for work for Thanksgiving? What are you doing for Thanksgiving? Let me know. So let's just dive right in, and so I'm gonna scoot you guys in and we'll get started. All right, you guys, so I am so ready to fill my belly, have a turkey baby, and yeah, but I need to do something with this face. I do like to be a little bit more glamorous during the holiday season. I'm a little bit more something something. My hair is, nothing's happening with it. I'm that kind of person that I just forget the hair altogether. So my skin is moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the primer oil from Smashbox. I do want to start out with that, even though I'm doing my eyes first, so that it has time to sink into my skin and just really hydrate it, and that way it's not slipping around everywhere when I apply my foundation. So this is going on first, and then we'll dive into the eyes, and because I think I want to play around with some glitter. I'm not entirely sure. Okay, so for eyeshadow primer, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Prime. You guys, this stuff will cancel everything out. If your eyes have sinned, it will erase those sins. It's super intense, and I'm just gonna go ahead and plop this on my eyes with my finger and then blend it out further with a beauty sponge. Okay, so today I'm going to be going in with the Gemini palette and the Tati Beauty palette. I kind of want to do sort of like mustardy, olive greens. I really want to soak in the last day of what we consider fall. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be starting out with the transition shade though, which I'm going to be going in with Luna right here in the Gemini palette. And I'm going to be plopping this. Plopping is like my word today. I'm going to be putting this right in my crease. And this will just start us out for the day with my eyeshadow. I'm going in with Lorelei, and then I'm also gonna be going in with Soothe from the Tati Beauty palette, the matte one, just to finish off like the crease and everything. So starting with the Lorelei, because it has more of a yellow in it, and I'm bringing it into my crease, and then slightly onto the lid, and then also slightly up. So next I'm going in with the shade Story in the matte. I'm also going to be going in with Story in the metallic. So I changed my mind. Actually, I'm going in with the shade Soothe in the, no, I'm going in with the shade Aura in the metallic. I changed my mind. Next, I'm going into the shade Story in the sequence. I'm going in with the shade Story. I'm using a little bit of the Story Metallic to go in with the metallic and aura, just to blend those together. As I went by so much easier because I knew exactly the order to do things in. Okay, so then I'm going in with the Story glitter. Woo, so pretty. I used aura in the glitter, but this time, last time when I reviewed it, but this time I'm using Story in the glitter. And I'm just lightly bringing it in. So it's fading from glitter to sequins to metallic, or yeah, to a matte in the crease. That's kind of like the vibe I'm going for. And I'm just gonna kind of be sloppy on the end since I haven't done my foundation yet. I'm gonna tap in a little bit of Ritual in the glitter, just to kind of get a mixture of like brown and like the orangish burnt orange shade. Just want a good combo. So I'm going to darken up my crease a little bit. So I'm going in with Ritual in the matte, and I'm going to buff that. Kind of combine it with the glitter a little bit like I did in my review video. So now I'm going over the glitter with a blending brush, so I am going to create fallout. Just to let you guys know, the fallout is totally my fault. Okay, so moving on to the skin, I did moisturize with the primer oil, but I just need a little more because I've been wiping my face with a wipe. So not a lot, just, you know, to give me a little bit of a luminous look. And I'm taking some of the Tatcha primer. This is still my trial size that I got with points, and you guys, this trial size is lasting me forever. For foundation today, I'm going to be taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I haven't worn this in a hot minute, so I figured it was time. This is not as full coverage as I remember it being. Or maybe just a Smashbox one is just so much more full coverage. I'm like, oh, well this one, because you know, this used to be like full coverage. And I'm just like, eh. I'm also using a sponge. It's probably soaking up some product. What's wrong with this foundation? It's like picking up everywhere. Do I need to use a brush? Like for real. It just looks gross. Garbage! I'm gonna be going in with the Smashbox one because that Estee Lauder Double Wear is no bueno. And I bought a newer one, so I know it's not expired. It's just, I don't know. I just don't like it anymore. Ah, there we go. Yo, this Smashbox foundation is where it is at. It is like the new Estee Lauder Double Wear. I did not like how it looked on my skin. I don't know what happened to it. You know, your taste changed, your skin changes, so possibly because I'm so dry now, my skin just hates it. That is quite possible. But that was not cute. I'll be taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer for under my eyes. I'll be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. You guys, this stuff is incredible. I don't know why it's not talked about very much. It is the bomb. And I'm going to be doing a light set under my eyes. Down here and on my fine lines. I'm also going to be taking the NYX Banana Powder just for a little bit of brightening. I'm going to take a clean foundation brush just to sweep away any excess powder on my face. I'm taking some of the Makeup Forever powder just to kind of smooth everything out. My skin is freaking out all of a sudden. For my brows, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow. This is the most waterproof brow thing out there, I swear. Like, incredibly waterproof. I mean, it's not, you have to kind of treat it like a pomade in how you apply it, but it is so different than a pomade. You can get an incredibly natural brow with this one or not so natural. Whichever you want, honestly. It's literally, what do you want? And then for my brow gel, I'll be taking the Makeup Forever Brow Gel, the tinted one in the shade number 35. Okay, so I'm going to move back on to the under eye now, where I'm going to be going into the Gemini palette. And I'm going to be going in with some of the greens. I have to pick up the face a little bit because my battery is screaming at me. I'm going to be taking the shade Leo right here. And then I'm smoking out with Fire and OG. So Leo, Fire OG, and then Mochi. Those are going to be what I'm going in with. Going into Kylie's Holiday palette to contour, highlight, and bronze. So taking the shade Toasty, loading that up. I need it to be a little bit more pigmented, so I'm picking up some of the Hoola Caramel. Just doing a dash of this. I'm not doing like the full thing with the Hoola Caramel. Just a dash on the most perimeter. And then down the neck. I think for the blush, I want to dive into this Nars palette and go in with this shade right here because it's super peachy and it's super pretty. I think it'll go really well with this look. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go back into Kylie's palette right here. Mix the two shades together. I want to go right on apples of my cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with some MAC Fix Plus. Let it dry. I'm going to pop some mascara on my lower lashes and we will do the lips afterwards. I do want to just brighten my inner corner really quickly in the Tati palette. I'm going to go in with the Matte Aura. It's really, really pigmented cream shade, and highlight my brow bone with it as well. Just pop that right there for some brightening. For my lips, I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Beauty in the Fiesta. It's Fiesta something. I'll have it down below. This is like the perfect fall shade. Oh. Alright you guys, so that is it for my makeup look for Thanksgiving. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I do want to let you know that I had to charge for like 2 seconds. I did take Kylie Jenner's True Brown lip pencil on the outside just to give it a little bit more ombre. But anyways, this is the look. I will have everything listed for you guys in the description box. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I also want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Goodbye.